Hi friends, again welcome back. This is Chris from Chris Labs and JavaGuru.net. So let's see what are the features of Java in this session. Okay, in this video we're going to see what are the features of Java. First thing, Java is very simple to learn. Okay, so it's not very difficult and it's a simple language, just simple programming language, and we need to learn from the basics. And it's very simple. Okay, and it is object oriented. So what do you mean by object oriented? We'll see later. So there are some object oriented principles or techniques or paradigms. So like we have abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance. So these are all object oriented principles. Okay, this is portable. you know Java is portable. I mean, in the sense like we can develop and we can ship it anywhere. Just we need to make a zip file and send it over, and we can execute in any of the environment like that. Okay, this is next one is platform independent. Okay, so what do you mean by platform independent? So this Java language or the Java program which we write can run in any operating system or any platform or any kind of environment. For example, if you write a program, Java program, it can run in Windows environment, it can run in Unix or Linux or Mac operating system or else Solaris operating system or else anything. Okay, so that is called platform independent. Okay, so we'll go in depth of what exactly is platform independent later. Okay, and next one is secure. Java programming language is very secure. It is highly secured and it provides a lot of features for security, and we can use it. Okay, so it's not easy to if you go to use the security principles, it's not easy to violate, or it's not very easy to no one can steal the information or hack that. Okay, it's next one is robust. Java is very robust, in sense like it is very if you go to build an application or a product in Java using all these features, it's very robust. It cannot be brittle or easily breakable. It's very strong. Okay. And the next is interpreted. Java is interpreted. Okay, so what do you mean by interpreted is first, when you write a Java program, so this Java program is going to be uh, you wanted to run this program. In order to run it, it needs to first compile. Okay, so when you write a Java program, let's say hello.java, so you're going to write hello.java and you're going to print in that some message saying hello world. Okay, so first this hello.java program, if you want to see the end result as hello world, okay, what we need to do is there are two parts out there. One is first we need to compile the program. So what is compiling? Compiling is the process of converting the Java program into dot class program. Okay, so there is an intermediary bytecode is being generated when you compile. So how you're going to compile? Using Java compiler. Okay, so when you write a Java program using the Java compiler, Java C command, we're going to compile it. So that will generate a dot class file which is called, okay, bytecode. Okay, so now we need to take this bytecode. Okay, and there is some other program, okay, that needs to run this bytecode, okay, in order to generate the final output. Okay, so that is called Java virtual machine, Java runtime environment. It is having a command called Java, okay, that is used to run the program by taking the input as a bytecode, which is dot class file. So that dot class file which has been generated using compiler, Java compiler. Okay, so when we go to use this Java command, okay, for running the Java program, it will take dot class file and run that program, so that you're going to see the end result. So that is, this whole process is called interpreted. Okay, so next we'll see the what is called multi-threaded. Okay, so multi-threaded is very big concept in Java. So what in order to run a program, okay, if you want to perform a task, so what you're going to do is there is some small programs called thread. Okay, so the threads is going to run the program, run this, execute that particular task. So if you're going to have one thread executing the task, if it takes like 10 hours to do that, then to improve the performance, if you're going to create 5 threads, okay, and 5 threads simultaneously perform the task, same task. So each thread will do the task, parallelly another thread will do the task, and parallelly another thread will do the task, so that the performance is being improved. So instead of taking 10 hours, it will take only 2 hours because 5 threads are running parallel. So the same task is being divided, and each thread will take that portion and perform the task. So simultaneously, it's being done. So that is called multi-threaded. Okay. So now, what is called distributed? Distributed is like um, it's a kind of a technology where you have a distributed mechanism, like for example, like EJBs, Enterprise Java Beans, or Corba, or else there is something called RMI, Remote Method Invocation, RMI. So like that, distributed technology is there. We will go in detail, in depth later. Okay, and it is dynamic. So what do you mean by dynamic is like um, so at runtime. So it is dynamic means dynamic binding. All these concepts will come. So at runtime, it's going to take no on the JVM is going to decide. So we'll see in depth of all these concepts, some of them, which we did not explain in depth. Okay, at very high level, just these are the features of Java, like simple, object oriented, portable, platform independent, secured, robust, interpreted, multi-threaded, distributed, dynamic. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. These are the features of Java. Okay, thank you so much, and I really appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel, so that we get a lot of more videos in Java programming, Java full stack, and all that. Okay. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.